Hello friends, welcome to my blog Dainik Bibitha once again. On 2nd April, visited Kaziranga National Park by Jeep Safari. We entered Jeep Safari gate in Central Ring at Kohara to the park. Along the river Brahmaputra on the north and the Karbi Anglong Hills on the south, Kaziranga is a World Heritage Site famous for the great one-horned rhinoceros. Best time to visit Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga Park remains closed from 1st May till 31st October every year. Therefore, November to April is the best time to visit Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park lies partly in Golaghat district and partly in Nagaon district of Assam. It is the oldest park in Assam. In 1974, Kaziranga has been declared a national park. The Kaziranga National Park contains many species of India's theatre mammals. It harbors the world's largest population of Indian rhinoceros and elephant. Other mammals include langur. A small population of Hulu gibbon, tiger, buffalo, swamp deer, and so. Assam government declared rhino as a state animal in 4th April 2003. Rhino has a horn on the tip of its nose. Rhino has placed Assam in the tourist map of the world. Tourists from all over the world visit Kaziranga in order to see the rhino.
रियल है वो, टस्कन है, वाइल्ड एलिफेंट है वो. उसको देख रही हो, ये ट्रंक देख रही हो और ये इसका टीथ देख रही हो. इसका टीथ ये जो वाइट
Assam government have taken strong security measures for the rhino. Assam generating income through tourism sector. The rhino being a rare animal is a tourist attraction. Kaziranga harbors the world's largest population of Indian elephant. One of the most sought after wildlife holiday destination in India. Water bodies in park are good examples of food. Due to advent of the monsoon and flood, and head towards the Karbi Hills to avoid annual flooding. Authorities have built some high-rise area in the park to take shelter by wild animals during the flood.
Itu igol ada itu.
Ayo hobung ba.
Igol hobung.
Igol. Oh, hai du sa.
Igol.
Hai du na sa. Hai.
কাঠৰ এতিয়া নাই পানী হৈছে যে ৰ'দত এতিয়া অক্সিজেনটো পাইতো হাতী জতা তেনেকৈ নাথাকে হাতী সৰু থাকে অকণি অকণি পাত বনৰীয়া জন্তু যে ঘৰ বস্তু বস্তু নে কলিও বগি বুলি আহিব মন মন লাগে তো পুরো
Here one can see mainly four types of vegetation exist in Kaziranga, like alluvial, inundated grassland, alluvial, savanna, woodland, tropical moist meshy deciduous forest, and a tropical semi-evergreen forest. Good variety of aquatic flora can be seen in lake ponds and along the river swamp. With increasing tiger population every year, the government authority declared Kaziranga as a tiger reserve in the year 2006. For such interesting videos in future, please do not fail to subscribe the channel. and press the bell icon for future notification. Thank you very much.